Okay, so there is a very good chance that this might be one of the last times I'm in this place with it looking semi-livable. I just wrote Ken, my contractor, a first installment check, and he is going to start demolition while I'm out of town this week. So right now we've got this wood railing and kind of wall. This is all coming down. And as we look up here, that's going to be my office. And there's going to be a nice chandelier up here. So now we'll come this way. They probably won't be touching this room quite yet, but they can get it into the before state. Here's where I double checked to make sure there was brick. Oh, there's not enough light in there. And just in case we haven't seen enough of this bathroom, I am fairly certain this is getting painted. I'm afraid my guests, after a few drinks, might get sick looking at this. There's me. Hi, me. Big window's not open. It's a very cloudy day. This floor should be coming up very, very soon. This little entryway, or previous dining area, is going to be my office. So there will be a wall there. Kitchen. All of this is going on Craigslist if you would like to buy a kitchen. This wall is totally coming out. I've already started a little bit. Same here. This wall will be gone up until a little bit next to this window. This will be the breakfast nook. All this floor is coming up. My wine cooler is going to go here. And right somewhere in the middle, where this big wall is, I'm going to have an island. So this is all going to be hardwood. Cannot wait to get this tile up. Now we're going to take a little trip downstairs. Beautiful. All this tile's coming up, and all this paint is getting painted. I mean, it's gross. I mean, look at that. So nothing is really going to happen in the bathroom except for paint, and I'm replacing those lights. And I'm going to do something fun with this mirror because it's falling apart. But for now, this is going to stay as is. Now here is the bedroom. We can barely see anything because there's no light. But check that out. That's the carpet. You see how dirty that is? The carpet is getting replaced. Oh, and I brought an air mattress because I slept here this weekend. But this is all getting painted. And we're going to put a light fixture on the ceiling. Oh, these doors are actually, there's the closet. Closet one, nice and big. But these big doors, which is going to be nice. Oh, there's not enough light. These doors, this door and this door from the closet are getting replaced with mirrored doors. And then the bathroom door is also going to get replaced with a folding frosted glass door to let light into the very small bathroom. And then the darkest room of the bunch, tiny bedroom number 2. Light fixture, much needed. Carpet again, filthy. Everything is very filthy. Look at this. These people did not clean anything. Everywhere we need paint. And other than that, I think those are the main renovations. Gonna have a very cute new little door letter thing. I guess we could go out back. It's a very rainy day. I did buy a welcome mat. Very rainy in DC, but I guess we could go and take a look at the front. Lots of greenery. This is a historic district of DC, the neighborhood of Mount Pleasant. This is Park Road. Here is the front of the house. If my new neighbors see me, they're going to think I'm nuts. But that's okay. That's the front porch. It's kind of the top of the house. It's very pretty. This is a crepe myrtle. But I'm going to walk back up the stairs. Neighbor's house. Usually there's lots of squirrels out here, but I think maybe because it's a little wet out they don't like it. There's my welcome mat. There's my door. So we're gonna go back through the backyard just for fun. This is my little under the deck patio area, which eventually I'd like it to be enclosed, but apparently that takes some time. And this is the shared back patio area between the 3 units, and it is so cute, so quaint, so green. And then that's the garage back here. This whole big thing. We walk back here. We're neighbors. You go back there and you enter the garage on the side. So this is before. We shall see what after looks like. I'm excited. I also know there's probably going to be some crying, knowing me. But when it's all said and done, I think it's going to be good.